At the airport.
Hello, am I at the right gate for the flight to Paris? Yes, it's the right gate. Boarding will start in 10 minutes. Perfect, thank you very much. Have a good trip.
At the train station.
Hello. I would like to buy a ticket to Paris, please.
Sure. For which date and time?
For tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Very well. That will be 35 euros.
Thank you very much.
At a pharmacy.
Hello, I'm looking for a medicine for a headache.
Hello, of course. Do you have a prescription from your doctor?
No, I don't have a prescription.
Very well, in that case, I can recommend an over-the-counter medicine. Here's some paracetamol. It's effective against headaches.
Thank you very much. How much does it cost?
It's 5 euros for a box of 20 tablets.
Perfect, I'll take a box of paracetamol.
Very well, here's your box of paracetamol. Take 2 tablets every 6 hours at most. Get well soon.
At the hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation for a room tonight. My name is DuPont.
Hello, Mr. DuPont. Yes, I have your reservation here. A room with a double bed for one night.
Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Very well, I'll give you your key. The room is on the second floor, on the right. Breakfast is served from 7 to 9 a.m.
Perfect, thank you very much. Do you have Wi-Fi in the hotel?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. Here's the password.
Thank you very much. See you soon.
See you soon.
At the doctor's office.
Hello, what brings you here today?
Hello, I have a sore throat and a fever since yesterday.
Okay, I'll examine you. You have tonsillitis. I'll prescribe you some antibiotics.
Thank you very much, doctor.
At a restaurant.
Hello, what can I do for you?
Hello, I would like the dish of the day, please.
Very well. And to drink?
I'll have some water, please.
Perfect, I'll bring that to you right away.
At the grocery store.
Hello. Where can I find the fruits and vegetables? Please?
They're at the back of the store, on your left.
Thank you. And do you have ripe tomatoes?
Yes, of course. Here are some tomatoes from our local garden.
They look delicious. I'll take a pound of them.
Very well. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. How much do I owe you?
That's €3.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
At a train station.
Hello, I would like a ticket to Bordeaux, please.
Hello, of course. For what date and at what time would you like to depart?
For tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, please.
Very well. The ticket costs €35. Do you have a discount card?
Yes, I have a student discount card.
Very well, in that case, the ticket will cost you €25.
Perfect, I'll take that ticket.
Very well, here's your ticket for tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Have a good trip.
Hi son, how's the homework going?
Not very well, I can't seem to understand this math problem.
Okay, show me what you've done so far. It's a bit complicated. Have you tried asking your teacher for help?
No, I haven't done that yet.
That might be a good idea. Otherwise, maybe we can look for online tutorials to help you.
Yes, that could work.
Great. Don't worry, we'll find a solution together.
Thanks, Dad, I feel better now.
Student discusses the English lesson with his teacher.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I wanted to talk to you about the English lesson we had last week.
Of course, John. What did you want to discuss?
I found the lesson on grammar to be a bit challenging. I was wondering if you could explain it to me again.
Sure, which part of the grammar lesson are you having trouble with?
Specifically, I'm struggling with subject-verb agreement. I don't quite understand how to match the subject and the verb in a sentence.
Ah, I see. Well, the subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that the sentence is about. The verb is the action word that the subject performs. For example, in the sentence, the cat jumps on the table, the subject is the cat, and the verb is jumps. The subject and the verb must agree in number. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular as well.
Oh, I think I understand now. So in the sentence the cats jump on the table, the verb will be jump instead of jumps, right?
Exactly, John. You got it.
Thanks, Mrs. Smith. That helps a lot.
No problem, John. Is there anything else you need help with?
No, that's all for now. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome, John. Don't hesitate to come to me if you have any more questions or concerns.